Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a great spiritual master, a fearless monk, a man who awakened an entire nation, and a teacher who inspired millions across the world. Yes, today's video is about Swami Vivekananda, his life journey, and his everlasting legacy. This narration is inspired by the themes of Swami Vivekananda, his life and legacy by Swami Tapasyananda. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this powerful and inspiring journey. Part 1 Early Life, from Narendra to Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on the 12th of January 1863 in Kolkata. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. From a young age, he was energetic, intelligent, curious, fearless, and deeply spiritual. He questioned everything. Who is God? What is the soul? What is the purpose of life? He was brilliant in studies, music, sports, and meditation. But most importantly, he had a burning desire to know the truth. Life was preparing him for a revolutionary role. Part 2 Meeting with Sri Ramakrishna. Narendra met many scholars, but no one could answer his deepest spiritual questions. Until one day, he met Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Narendra asked him the famous question, "Have you seen God?" Sri Ramakrishna smiled and replied, "Yes, I see him as clearly as I see you." This answer shook Narendra completely. This was the beginning of a divine relationship. A relationship of a master and disciple. Of wisdom and realization. Part 3 Struggles and the birth of Swami Vivekananda. After the passing of his father, Narendra's family went through severe financial hardship. There were days when he had to wander without food. He faced rejection, insult, and hunger. But these challenges only strengthened his mind. After the passing of Sri Ramakrishna, Narendra and his companions took monastic vows. Narendra became Swami Vivekananda. A new era had begun. Part 4 Journey across India. Swami Vivekananda traveled across India on foot. From deserts to mountains. From villages to cities. He lived among the poorest of the poor, saw the suffering of common people, felt their pain, and realized that true spirituality meant service. His message became, "Serve the poor, they are God in human form." These experiences shaped his mission for India. Part 5 The historic Chicago Speech, 1893. In 1893, Swami Vivekananda traveled to the United States to attend the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago. He began his speech with just 5 words. "Sisters and Brothers of America." The audience stood up and applauded for nearly 2 minutes. His speech introduced the world to India's spiritual greatness. A message of unity, love, harmony, and acceptance. He said, "We believe not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true." The world listened. The world admired. The world awakened. Part 6 Philosophical Teachings in the West. After Chicago, Swami Vivekananda spent about 2 years in America and Europe. He delivered lectures on yoga, meditation, Vedanta philosophy, the science of the mind, the unity of all religions, the power of the soul. He connected spirituality with logic, science, psychology, and human values. His teachings transformed thousands of lives across the West. Part 7 Return to India and National Awakening. When Swami Vivekananda returned to India, millions welcomed him as a national hero. His speeches ignited a fire in the hearts of young Indians. He told the youth, "You are the makers of your own destiny." And his most powerful message, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." He founded the Ramakrishna Mission, dedicated to education, health, service, relief work, and spiritual upliftment. His mission was clear: make India strong through knowledge, character, and service. Part 8 Final Years in Mahasamadhi. In the final years of his life, Swami Vivekananda worked tirelessly. His health began to decline, but his spirit remained as powerful as ever. He often said, "My life is for humanity." On the 4th of July 1902, at the age of just 39, he attained Mahasamadhi. A short life, but an immortal legacy. Part 9, The Legacy of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda's legacy is not bound by time or geography. He inspired freedom fighters, social reformers, thinkers, scientists, students, and millions of young minds. His teachings emphasized fearlessness, unity, service, discipline, self-confidence, and the infinite potential of every human being. He taught us that each of us carries divine strength within. Part 10, Teachings that Transform Life. Here are the timeless lessons we learn from Swami Vivekananda. Keycap 1, Believe in yourself. Keycap 2, Strength is life, weakness is death. Keycap 3, Serve others selflessly. Keycap 4, Focus your mind on one goal. Keycap 5, Education must build character. Keycap 6, Be fearless in everything you do. Keycap 7, You are born with infinite power. These teachings continue to guide millions around the world. Friends, the life of Swami Vivekananda teaches us that one pure soul, with one powerful idea, can change the destiny of a nation. His message will continue to inspire generation after generation. If his life touches your heart today, remember, the same fire, the same courage, the same divine strength is hidden inside you. Awaken it, live it, rise with it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found this narration inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. I follow Vivekananda's path. Thank you, friends. Jaya Hind.